Well, hello everyone, it's me Shenell here, and today I have again another DIY art piece, and it is going to be just a modern style abstract piece of art, and it is going again in my niece's office makeover. And again, we're doing this office makeover on a budget, and what you'll see here coming up is the colors that I am going to be adding to the piece of artwork. And I did a little post on the community tab. Check me out over there, as well as on Instagram at Angelic Interior Designs, and don't miss out on any of the fun and upcoming things over there. And what I do here is just use old bottles. I'm just adding all of the paint, and then also not pictured here is the Floetrol that I add in with the paint as well, and it gives it a more smoother as well as a fluid flow of the paint rather than just adding water to it. And I'm not going to let it run over the sides because we're going to actually frame around the sides, so there's no need for it to run all over on the sides. Now when it is hung, it is going to be hung long ways, so it will be hung long ways instead of up and down. And so yeah, we're gonna get started. I want it as light as possible, so I'm going to keep it very light with the colors, not using too many of the darker shades, so we'll use a little bit of the darker shades, and I'll pour them in second. So this is how it's looking. I'm just gonna pick it up and show you how we're gonna make it all move together. How it's looking so far. Okay, you can see I'm still at the painting. This is how it's looking, but she wanted a little of the green, so I had to mix up because I don't have any of the green. So I'm just going to try to, hopefully it doesn't mess up, and put a little bit in it. I was so nervous about putting this green. I'm just gonna, oh, there it is. Little dabs of it. Oh my goodness. I don't want it to be too much, so. This green color, because it's really heavy, and that's really odd. You can see just a little bit. Oh my god. Let me try with another brush. So I'm going to take this brush, and I'm just going to sponge some on there on the tip to feather it and see what kind of effect I can get with that. So, wish me luck, y'all. So I added the touch of the green in, the greenish blue, and yeah, hopefully it picks up. What you're seeing here is the frame that she already had purchased months before. this is how I mounted it in instead of stapling it. Didn't staple it, just in case if one day she wants to switch it out. It's easy to take out, still preserve the canvas and the frame. Yeah, here's the final look, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and definitely hit that subscribe button. This has been Shenell, and remember, stay safe and always stay prayed up. And I'll see you all in the next one.
Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close my eyes, I see beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you.